Welcome back to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. Today I am in the salon and I'm gonna do retwists. But before I get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful videos available. Go ahead and do that right now. And for all who have done, welcome, 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 welcome. So my client here already shampooed, conditioned. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna retwist. I am gonna be using this Tropical Roots cream, twist cream. I love it. It gives it a little bit of shine. No flakes. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So as I said, he's freshly shampooed and conditioned. And we're gonna start from the back. I'm just gonna go ahead, go in. Make sure my parts are clean. So a lot of times there's a new growth and the new growth will actually grow into another dread. So all you have to do, like in another section, you would use the scissors and you would just cut it because you want the parts to be, clean. So first, I'm just gonna put some of my product on. I'm gonna twist. Then I'm gonna go in with my crochet needle. Pull it through. So the next thing you want to do is when you twist it, and you put your crochet needle, use your crochet needle, and you pull it, loop it through. You could do it once or twice. All depends on how tight you want it to be. Then you're gonna take that one at a time, strand of dreads, and you're gonna roll it in your hand. So when you pull it through, let's show you again. Let's do this one here. So all those are the short hair right here. You want to get it inside of the twist. You twist. Crochet needle is open, push it through, see the little latch, close it, pull it through. That's it. So this is where I'm talking about where you come in with your scissors. If there is hair from here growing over in here, so you just go in, just like that. Very easy and simple. When you roll it between your palms or inside of your palms, is you see how it's, you know, frizzy right here? So this is what you want to get rid of. So you're just gonna roll it. We did 25 minutes under the dryer. Now he's out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna braid it. So, you know, give him a nice little style. And it also keeps the hair better. Nice little style. So let's say I didn't do the crochet and I had just twisted it and let it be. Braiding it like this will actually keep the twist in a longer time. Of course, you know it's gonna grow out and you always have to go back in and retwist. But when you braid it up, it stays for a while. Versus you just go home with it just like that, go sleep on it, and it looking all messy. all over the place. So it keeps it in place. And then when you take the braids down, most of the time you get that little crinkly look, looking cool. Yep. How long you had it? You're doing your dreads for again?
2 years.
2 years. Pretty long. It's getting there. Put a little bit of rubber bands on the ends, like so. And at the end, just put them all together. One rubber band. Yep. Okay guys, I am done for the day. We did a retwist of my lovely client right here and we are looking fabulous. Yep, and we are out for today. So guys, I will catch you in my next video. I may be in the kitchen, I may be in the salon, I may be in my backyard, but guess what? Catch you guys in my next video. Me gone, I'm a yard. Bye. Bye for now.